Hey, you found your way to another 5-minute flower video. My name is Karla Jodoin, and this is where I show you how to easily draw flowers in under 5 minutes. Today we're going to draw some forget-me-not blooms. Draw a really small circle on your page, and then we're going to encase it with a wavy line that has 5 high points, basically 5 curves that fit together. Now in each of the dips you've created, draw a diamond shape extending outwards. Let's zoom in a bit for a closer look and repeat this a second and third time to create the centers of 2 more flowers. Small circle in the center, encased with a wavy line with 5 bumps and dips and a small diamond shape extending out of each of the dips. Now that we have the centers of the flowers drawn, we can start adding some petals by joining the tips of the diamond shapes together with a C-curve line. Don't worry about your curves being perfect, a slight dip or bend will work really well here. Continue around all 3 flower centers until you have 5 petals on each. Remember, the petals don't have to be the same. The variances are what makes this more lifelike. Now we need to start adding the stem, coming out below each bloom with 2 lines drawn close together, extending down toward the bottom of the page. Let's make all the sections of stem connect together into one, and then add a small bud coming out from the right side here for some contrast to the larger open blooms. Basically, you just want a section of stem with a rounded diamond shape above it. Draw the outline of an elongated diamond-shaped leaf, then starting with a line in the center, fill in the leaf with some slightly curved, broken lines down the length. Leaving some of the lines broken like this adds some contrast and makes it look like the light is catching on those spots. Now we can add some detail lines to the petals by just adding some quick short rows of lines extending from the center of the bloom outward to fill up the bottom third of each petal. Keep the lines really light, and you can even add a few lines toward the outer edges if you want. This will help create a curved look to the petals, giving the drawing some depth. Remember to keep your touch light so the lines won't be as thick as the outline lines, helping to create contrast. Finally, add a few strokes to the base of the bud, and there you have another 5-minute flower. As always, let me know your flower requests in the comments, and make sure you're subscribed to my channel so you can follow along with all of the upcoming drawings in this series. Thanks for watching. Until next time, bye-bye.